Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I love you. Thanks for the cool presents. Say thank you. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Okay. All right.
Storybook today. The nose book. You like noses. Wow.
Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
Now Mommy can read you all kinds of new stories when you go to bed.
Oh, I like stories.
Yeah. Wow. What cool storybook.
Say thank you. Are you dancing? Yeah. A little dance for Grandma and Grandpa.
All right. You ready for some more? What else do you have for me? Oh.